Rodent glue tunnels sized for roof rats can provide a contained monitoring option when used carefully and legally. For a do-it-yourself approach, start with tamper-resistant glue tunnels specifically sized for rats rather than mice, because roof rats require a larger footprint and stronger walls to prevent escapes and non-target contact. Choose a commercial glue board rated for rodents and mount it inside a rigid tunnel made of plastic or metal that prevents access by pets or children. The tunnel should be long enough so the rat steps fully onto the glue surface and wide enough so their flanks do not contact the sides. Place tunnels in attic spaces along established runways, near rafters, where droppings and grease marks indicate activity, and orient the opening along the travel path so rats enter naturally. Check devices at least once every 12 hours to reduce prolonged suffering and to comply with local humane expectations, and document checks so you can demonstrate vigilance if questioned. If a rat is captured alive in a glue device, you must follow local regulations for handling and release and consider calling a wildlife rehabilitator because larger rodents on glue boards can suffer and are difficult to release without professional help. Always consult local regulations before use because some jurisdictions restrict glue products or require specific handling and disposal practices. Common mistakes include using mouse-sized glue tunnels for roof rats, which leads to partial captures and increased distress, and the fix is to use tunnels and glue boards explicitly sized for rats and test placement with non-adhesive baited platforms first. A second issue is leaving glue devices unchecked for long periods, which causes suffering and potential legal problems, so schedule checks at least twice daily and keep a log of inspections. A third concern is placing tunnels in easily accessible areas that allow pets or children to contact the device, so use tamper-resistant housings, attic mounting, and secure fasteners to restrict access and reduce liability. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate local contractors and to give contractors a place to find work related to pest exclusion and repair after rodent problems. Our site also hosts a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share experiences, tips, and local regulation information about humane and legal pest control approaches.